Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here at the Southern District of New York Courthouse today, Monday, March 4th, 2024. There's two trials that we're covering. There's one starting up today, but we're going to begin with the pinnacle of the American legal system, the Supreme Court. It's expected. Well, tomorrow is Super Tuesday, and there's 15 states voting, but including Colorado, which was the state that said that Trump couldn't be on the ballot. So, will it be today that the Supreme Court will rule on that? We covered the oral arguments, and we'll be on alert for that ruling. There's also, I'm going to leave Honduras to the end, y en español, al fin. But Whitehead, in the trial of Lamar Whitehead, although it won't meet today due to some lawyer issues, we'll meet tomorrow, and there's a big fight now about a security video that was shot at Lamar Whitehead's New Jersey home that only recently has the defense turned over to the government. The government says it's too late. They blame the prior lawyer. We've written it up over the weekend. You can find it. There's also the beginning of a trial of crypto scam, pretty much almost OneCoin like, smaller potatoes, IcomTech, and we've written about the preamble, and we're going to be covering the trial itself. Now, in the case of in the Honduras case, we're coming to a close. This could be the close of the government's case today, and they're already fighting, number one, about whether the government can show weapons, actual physical weapons of the type used in the case. Juan Orlando Hernandez's lawyers say no, it's inflammatory. There's also already a fight about his or at least two of his proposed experts, one about Honduran law, one about Honduran politics. They say they came in too late, they're not experts, various things. We put that up this morning, and you can see it. There's also, and all to the good, there's a story about the scene in front of the courthouse right behind me. The story, it appears today in the paper of record, it doesn't really mention that, for example, that Tony Hernandez, the brother of the president, has already been convicted and sentenced to life plus 30, nor that it said that it's an open question whether current Honduran politicians may come as witnesses. Well, none has, and in fact, some have been named as having taken bribes, so there's that. En el juicio de Juan Orlando Hernández hay dos peleas. Una es si se puede mostrar armas. El gobierno quiere mostrar armas físicas. Juan Orlando y sus abogados no quiere. Y el gobierno quiere parar o prohibir dos expertos supuestos de Juan Orlando Hernández, uno sobre la ley hondureña, otro sobre la política hondureña. Entonces ya se está acabando. Y hoy hay un artículo en lo que se llama aquí la señora Gris, un gran periódico. Y eso está bien. Eso mayormente se trata del conjunto al frente de la corte, pero no menciona que Tony Hernández ya está encarcelado para vida más 30. Y también que dice que quizás políticos van a venir como testigos. No, que los testigos están hablando de dando soborno a unos políticos que están todavía en poder allá. Entonces, de toda manera, estamos encima de eso. We're on top of it, and meanwhile at the UN today, there's a press conference by Pramila Patten. We've been asked by some people to go and ask questions, but they didn't seem to know. We can't go in. We've been banned by Antonio Guterres, worst Secretary General ever, cover-up man. But we'll continue to apply to re-enter. Inner City Press, a continuación.